Lake Steel and Allied Products, Tanzania. Lake Steel is the first company in the country to introduce the unique high-strength corrosion resistance, HSCR, reinforcement steel bar. It consists of a state-of-the-art fully computerized and automatic steel rolling mill plant with production capacity of up to 25 tons per hour, which turns annual production of 100,000 metric tons. High ultra-modern technology and gradation of automatic enables us to produce high and consistent quality of steel bars, which are according to national and international standard. Committed to quality, Lake Steel is tested at a very stage for better quality production. In order to achieve good quality, we import our raw material from the best ferrous mild steel billet manufacturers around the world. We are equipped with modern wet lab facilities and chemical, physical testing equipment determine the physical tensile stress load and chemical composition of the steel billet and steel reinforcement bar. Wet bar is an analytical balance water distribution plant fume hood hot plate electric. Lake Steel and Allied Products is a manufacturing factory which is located at Visiga in Kibaha, Pwani. The main activity done in this manufacturing factory is to provide the unique high-strength corrosion resistance of steel bars. The company is equipped with a very high ultra-modern latest technology, experienced, dedication, technical knowledge, and an extensive approach to steelmaking that emphasizes its priority of serving the nation. Lake Steel and Allied Production Ltd. shares Lakes Group's vision to become the leading regional convenience retailer and marketer of steel and allied products and services, while achieving continuous improvement, ensuring excellence and customer satisfaction through shared values which are teamwork, reliability, and integrity. Not only that, but to provide customers with highest quality steel bars from our company. Lake Steel and Allied Products Ltd. shares Lakes Group's mission to provide its customers with top quality steel products and high standard services, maintaining a safe, efficient, and cost-effective manner with greenfield environmental friendly. Now we started erection of scrap melting unit with high progressive technology to produce high-quality billets and a good range of automation that enables us to produce consistent quality of bars with standard melting units. We are installing scrap melting unit with a capacity of 600 tons per month billet bars, which are according to national and international standard, in order to provide customers with highest quality of steel bars. We are planning to expand our steel company with advanced technology and fully automatic steel plant consisting with smelting and rolling mill with 100,000 tons capacity as Lake Steel and Allied in Mozambique, Lake Steel and Allied in Kenya, and also directly reduced iron plant, DRI, in Zambia.